Hi friends, welcome to SARAL Trader End of the Day Review. So we will look at the charts of S&P 500, and as you know, we got a buy signal on S&P 500 on SARAL 2 system, which is a positional carry forward system on 12/23. That was, I believe, Friday, and the market moved up, and as it went up, it touched 3900, which was primarily almost around 33 points away. That was the first target which we got, but then the market came under heavy selling right before the open. Around 6 a.m. we got this big move, which took the market down to 3836, almost 70-80 points fall. And when the market recovered, and if you notice, follow us on Twitter, we give daily SARAL VIX regression levels, which are primarily based on the VIX, and what are the key levels which we should watch out for. So the SARAL level, buy level, support level 1 was at 3842, which held, and we saw a massive recovery here. Now, while the recovery was there was no follow through buying coming in. This is a big candle which is now going to act as a resistance, and even past, this has acted as a where the selling has started coming in. And we ended the day with a sell signal, which came at around 12 o'clock, and then we went on the sideways, and we are still trending down. We took IWM calls, which were primarily, we had to book a loss in them because there was no follow through. They opened actually lower. If you look at the IWM chart, IWM didn't really have went up. On the future side, it did go up and met the target, but it came down. So, we bought the options in cash, so we had to take the loss, and we got out at 30% loss on the options. Now, on the daily chart, if you see, in on the S&P 500, as I told you, the SARAL pivot 1, the SARAL level, which is a pivot 1, will be acting as a resistance, and we have been challenged here primarily, and this level of privates, on the IWM chart, which is 174, is acting as a resistance. Now if you look at the same chart on S&P 500, as I told you, this is SARAL pivot level 2, level 1, sorry. We went up and we took the resistance. However, this particular zone, of 3800 to 384850 kind of a level is acting as a support where we see buying coming in. Now, what will happen, we don't know. We'll just follow the price. The beauty of SARAL system is that we just follow the price. We don't try to predict what is going to happen. We just follow it. Probability is, if you look at my opinion, probability is that we are in a balance zone. 50-50 chances of going up and down. We will react. We will not try to predict. Let's look at some of our open trades. New Zealand dollar, Kiwi dollar, we are going down. This trade is sailing well. We had a up move. It took the resistance and it's coming down here. This trade is marginally in profit. The 10-year Treasury yield futures, we are in good profit here. We entered somewhere here and we are sailing well. We are already 5% up. Futures are leverage products, so we are actually up around 50% on our capital deployed. But this is pretty much doing well. Then we had a buy on wheat. We have not really, I have not given this buy to the subscribers, but wheat charts today look consistent, and the trend seems like it will strengthen. We may see a retracement somewhere here. That's where we can add to the positions in this area, but right now it will move towards the pivot level 3. If you look at the chart of Tesla, as I told you in my last video, we are not going to touch it. It's in a free fall right now. Very heavily sold out, oversold. May see an up move, but until it settles above pivot level 2, we should not be touching this. It's a free fall. Lot of controversies around this company. We will leave it till the time it recovers. Apple, Apple, again, this support is holding. We need to see a close below 129 or 128 for this to break down. What will happen? We don't know. We will react and we will see what happens. Some of our open trade is KMB, which is Kimberly Clark. Now, Kimberly Clark is showing a lot of relative strength in the sense that we expected it to crash down. It has not crashed down. It is actually moving up, and on SARAL 2 system is giving a buy. If this high is taken, 140, we will exit the position uh, and take our losses. We also have a long position on Walmart, which is pretty much doing well, and we are in. We already booked 50% profits here, remember, so we are safe. We have already taken out our capital. Now, possibility is that either this will go down further from here, or if it closes above this pivot level 1, SARAL pivot 1, we will exit this position. One of the Brazilian stocks where I told you it's a heavily Brazil is a very volatile market, guys. We had a sharp recovery, and I placed my orders 5%, 6% below the close, and I got filled today. So BBD is Banco Bradesco is the second largest bank in Brazil, Latin America, probably. I am averaging my position here, and we'll see how it shapes up. Um, one stock which I really wanted to, I'm noticing, and I will probably enter that is Dominion. Dominion Energy Inc. It's a very large utilities company, dividend paying. Its current dividend yield is around 4%. This is seems like the downtrend might be over. We are moving above and trading above the pivot level 1 and 2 both. Let's see how this goes. We can initiate the position. This will be more like a long swing or a midterm kind of a position that I will take, and we'll move towards the up. Let's see what gold is doing. I have a short position in gold. Again, choppy movement, trading above pivot level 2, went up, couldn't sustain, and it's coming down now. And we'll see how this shapes up. Currently, I will hold the short position that I have. And is there any other stock that you want to know? Let me know. I will cover that, and we will cover that in the next time. Guys, you can follow our channel. For regular updates. We have a live stream of our systems, both intraday and positional for S&P 500. It's free for now, and you can subscribe to the SARAL Swing Alerts on our website, which is saraltrader.com. It's a 30-day free trial. We don't need any credit card details for that. Thank you, guys. If you have any questions, do comment and we'll take it up from there. Bye.